Windows 11 USB sound keeps playing fix. Hello everyone, and let's get started. First of all, tap on the search button and type in edit. Doing so will open the edit power plan. Tap on it and a new interface will open. Tap on change advanced power setting. On this list, you must be able to see the USB port. Click on the USB settings. After that, you must see the option of USB selective suspend setting. Tap on it and then you will see settings option. You have to disable it and then click on apply and then OK. This is the first fix. Now the second option is just a trick. For that, open the Run tab and type in mmsys.cpl. This will open the sound settings. Go to sounds and here you will see device connect and device disconnect. From the sound scheme, instead of the Windows default, you can select no sound and click on apply. This is not a fix, but it could definitely be the trick. So this was it for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.